Let's be honest, trying to open a PayPal account in some country feel impossible. Yes, like Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, and some other countries in the world are finding it difficult to create a working PayPal account. And that is because after creating PayPal account, in some days or some week, their account is going to be banned, or their account is not going to be verified, or they are going to be receiving message that impossible, they cannot create working PayPal account in their country. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the legal new way which you can create a working PayPal account, even if you are living in Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, Africa, any country you are in the world. This method I'm about to review to you in this video will work for you. Yes, it will work for you, and you are going to create your own working PayPal account without VPN, without fake information, without stress. Everything is legit and legally way which you can create a working PayPal account for yourself. And this PayPal account is going to be verified PayPal account, and you can use the PayPal account to receive money or even send out money in anywhere in the world. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because in this video I'm going to show you the reason why your PayPal account was banned and how you can create a working PayPal account without no stress, how it's going to be verified. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupeflaver TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go drive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you the legal way which you can create a working PayPal account without VPN, without fake information, without no stress. Let's get started. So now this is how you can do it. Now the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your Google or any app you are using, any browser you are using. You type in paypal.com/us, and they are going to bring you to an interface like this. Then you click on this first one. Now when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it says sign up for PayPal. This is for personal use and this is for business. So as you can see, it says send, spend, manage your money, all from one app. As you can see, you can also decide to click on business own. So let's click on as a get paid online, install, go to collect donation. So if you want to open a PayPal account, or you want to create a PayPal account for personal use, if you're for personal, you're individual, you can use it. But if you also want to create it for business purposes, you can click on business purposes. So for the sake of this video, let's go with business. Now we click on business. After we click on business, the next thing we're going to do is to click on get started. Now when you click on get started, it's going to take you to an interface where you can start your own registration. So now we have clicked on it. It will say please wait where we perform your secure check. As you can see, security check. So let's wait for it to load. Now it will also bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, say create a business account. Now the first thing you are going to do is to put your name here. As you can see, you put your name, your last name, everything, your email address you are going to be using. So make sure you put your own email address here. You put your password and all your information here. So I'll be filling out all this information right now and show you guys. And I'll be filling out this information right now and click on agree and create account. Now after you fill all information, the next thing you are going to do is to click on agree and create. Now as you can see, it says confirm you are woman. So all you have to do is to move this side all the way to the right. So you move this to the all the way to the right. Now, as you can see, after you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface where it will tell you confirm your email address with a code. This helps us prevent fraud and reach you if there is ever an issue. So the next thing you will do is to click on your email. You click email. As you can see, email you a code. You click on it. Now, a verification code is going to be sent to your email account. So now let's go to our email account and get the verification code so that we'll use it to verify our account. Now, as you guys can see, this is the email I just received right now. As you guys can see. Now, as you can see, let's copy the code. Now, go back to the platform. Let's paste it here. After pasting, you click on submit. As you can see, you say you are all set. Just a second. So now let's wait for it to be complete. Now, as you can see, you say activate your account to start using PayPal. We will guide you every step of the way. As you can see, enter, inform about your business organization. Then the next thing you will do is just to click on let's go. Now, as you can see, it said before we start, which describe you. Then if you are individual reseller, you just choose. If you are a company non-profitable, for the sake of this video, let's choose individual seller. Now, as you can see, business type, you select your business type here. Then you click on next. Now, after you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. As you can see, you say, do you have your legal name right? So this is where it gets so interesting. Now you need to put your full name, your last name, then your date of birth. So you have to fill every information. Make sure all information you are providing are your information. Make sure you use your own information. A lot of people finding it difficult to use their information. I don't know why. They use other people's information, wrong information. And at the end of the day, it gets restricted. So make sure you use your own information. Then you select your country, any country you are in the world. Make sure you put your country. I'm from Nigeria. Then you put your phone number, you put your street address, you provide all this necessary information you are seeing here, your city, your zip code. And after you fill all this information, the most important part now is enter your task ID number. This is where a lot of people misuse these things. This is where a lot of people mislead themselves. Yes, as you can see, they say provide your CSN or your ITIN. So most of the people bypass this place because they know how they use it and bypass. But the biggest issue here is that if you bypass it, maybe in nearest future, yes, you can bypass it, but in nearest future, when you have money in your account and you want to withdraw your money, that is where SSN or ITIN come in. Because they are going to ask you for the SSN or the ITIN number before you can be able to withdraw or do anything. Because those are what verify you that yes, you are a trusted person. Yes, you are a business person. So don't bypass it. Look for this SSN or the ITIN number. It's very, very easy and it's very simple to get. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you will get this TIN number. It's very, very simple. So make sure you watch the step I'm going to show you right now. To get the ITIN number, you don't need if you cannot get the SS number, I will show you how you get the ITIN number, which is very, very easy, so that you verify your account and you will be doing your transaction always. When you click on it, as you're going to see, they are going to tell you to provide your ITIN number. Now, to get the ITIN number, all you have to do is to come to this website where you register and they will provide you with the ITIN number. So go to the description of this video or the comment section, you are going to see the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. Now, when you look at the interface, it says the TIN. It says LLC, ITIN, or both. Apply online from Nigeria. So as you can see, if you are in Ghana, it will also show Ghana. If you are from Pakistan or any country you are in the world, it's going to show your country. And from Nigeria, that is why it's showing like this. Now, it says access US banking, launch your store, get paid on platforms like Stripe, Amazon, PayPal from anywhere. So as you can see, so this is ITI number. This is the amount you are going to pay to get your ITI number. Don't worry, I'm going to show you in this video how you can reduce this amount that is $348. I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce it by 50% discount. That means if you use my promo code, they are going to give you 50% discount. That is $50 is going to be minus from this money. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you can decide to read more about this platform. So let's check it out. If you also want LLC or EIN for your business, you can click on this box. But if you only need the TIN number, you cannot click on the box. Now, let's scroll down. Now, when you scroll down, you are going to see it's easier than you thought. So, as you can see, fill out your simple forms on your dashboard, sign up your legal papers, we deliver all you need online, start getting paid by using PayPal, Stripe, banking, etc. You focus on your business, we make you stay in. So, you can just read all this. So now, as you can see, don't have your US company ready yet. So you can read all. You can read, as you can see, it says over 3,000 people from 152 countries have choose us since 2017. As you can see, check other industry leaders below who are our partners. So as you can see, other industry that they are partner with, that they are working together with. So as you can see them here. So reason why having an ITI number essential. So you can read through, you need ITI number for your PayPal, for your Stripe, for your Amazon seller, for your TikTok shop. As you can see, federal income tax filing, opening a US bank account. So you need all this to create all these things. You need this ITI number. So you can also check their review here. When you click on review, you are going to see how people are reviewing about this platform, how this platform have helped them a lot. As you can see, this review was October 7. This is 2025, October 7. And it says, I needed to have an ITI number. It was not sure whether the ITI would be good or not, but they were very good, especially thanks to, so as you can see, for their customer service teams. So you can read more about their review. As you can see, this one was on 9 October. Finally got my ITI number, more opportunity to make money online. So as you can see, many people have been reviewing about the app. So now let me show you how you can get your own ITI number. You can also chat them here. All you just have to do is just to tap on this box here. When you tap on this box, as you can see, chat with us. You can chat them. They are online 247, 24 hours they are online. They can also chat with your local language. All you just have to do, just chat them and they will respond to you. Now, let me show you how you are going to get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to put your name here. For example, this is my name. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on order now. Now, when you click on order now, it's going to take you to an interface like this. As you can see, say born without an SSN, or don't worry, we secure your TIN. So all you have to do is to fill all this information. You put your email address. Make sure you use your own email address, your valid email address, because they are going to send you a message. Now you put your name, everything, your company name, your street, everything. Make sure you put your zip code. You select the state you want to use, everything, your state. You select all your information. And after you successfully select all your information, you can also choose your country. As you can see, you can choose your country here. So if you are from Nigeria, you can choose your country you are. If you are from Nigeria, Pakistan, any country, just choose your country. Then after you fill all your information, you put your payment detail. Now, this is where I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce that money with 50% discount. Now, as you can see, it's a TIN application. That means you are supposed to spend $348. But when you click on, I have a promo code like this, and you put my promo code Nupeflaver TV like this, 50, the way it's showing right now on your screen. As you can see, Nupeflaver TV 50. Then you click on apply now. Now, after you click on apply now, 50% discount is going to be removed from the money you are supposed to spend earlier. Now, as you can see, before you are supposed to spend 348, but using my promo code right now, you are supposed to spend 298. So they remove 50% discount for using my promo code. So if you want to get this 50% discount, this free 50% discount from me, just like from me, you need to use my promo code Nupeflaver TV, just the way it's showing right now on your screen. Now, after you use the promo code, you fill all your information. The next thing you are going to do is just to click on complete order. And after you click on complete order, your order is going to be completed, and they are going to chat you, ask you for your information, and make sure you give them your own information. And after you give them your information, they are going to work it out for you and get back to you in few days with your ITI number. So this is how you can get your ITI number. You can get your ITI number with this method. Then this TI number, you are going to copy it and go to your PayPal account. Come back to your PayPal account here, and you are going to put the TIN number there, and you click on next, and you are going to have a successful PayPal account which you are going to use for your business, receive money and send out money. You can receive more than $1,000, $2,000, any amount every time. You are going to receive it, and you'll be using your account without limitation, without restriction, without anything. So to get the link to that TIN number, I will repeat it again. The link to that TIN number will be in the description of this video, and also my promo code will be in the description. Make sure you use the promo code so that you get the 50% discount. Now, if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next I drop videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching.